to the channel, guys. We are here.
Bro, that video's so dope.
Back in the crib. We're gonna watch that and then we're gonna continue working on this. And you know, just do what we do. So yeah, remove the harness. I gotta take these clips off. Continue running it back. I still gotta get the grinder to remove that right from there, stripped. I gotta get all that cleaned out. This I'm gonna remove now, and I can get this part done. Fuse box, I might just do that as well right now since I have the beautiful weather. So yeah, I just gotta continue cleaning up, man. I'm not taking all this out either. I'm just gonna do the best I can with what I got. I'm not a professional, but it's gonna look good. I promise you it's gonna look good. This going ahead and not recording. Like I said before, this is a no-go until I get help. I finished removing the clips that were attached to the this part of the bay right here. And then I went ahead and got the fuse box out. So this goes on here like so. All right, it's being held on by 3 10s. If you didn't know, 1, 2, and 3 on the firewall. Right. So once you do that, you take it apart. Boom. Now this piece is on here. You remove these clips off. You have this harness here that's connected to the bottom of the fuse box. I gently removed this harness because remember, this is 20-plus-year-old car, and I don't need anything snapping or breaking. So I removed this very slowly, very gently. Now I got the fuse box out. Now, like I said before, this is gonna go underneath the dashboard. My cousin, both my cousins, they know how to do it. You know, I'll probably go ahead and give it a whirl myself. But since they already have the blueprint, you know what I mean? It'll be easy for them to just tell me how to do it. I'll go ahead and do it. But yeah. We're making some progress here, guys. Lock that in here, as well as the back piece. Forgive me if this video is all over the place. Fuse box is out. Let's put this inside the car for now. Man. Man, oh man, do I miss you, girl. I can't wait to just cruise, honestly. Like today, what is it, like 75 degrees outside. It's beautiful. Just cruising on the highway. So yeah, anyways, got sidetracked there for a second. Fuse box, go into there. Hopefully I don't have to remove the dashboard. Maybe just removing the glove compartment door off. I'll have access to where my cousin said that it's super simple, just bolts on. So maybe with this same bracket right here, just bolts on just like this. That'll be super dope if it was that easy. It probably is. Never done this before, so if it is that simple and you guys know it, forgive me, you know. So another roadblock. I got the entire harness out. Man, you could already see the potential You know what I mean? Look at that. But I can't do anything, man, until I get this out of here. Stripped. Stripped. How rusty this thing is. I gotta get this cut out. It's so annoying, man. So annoying. Once I cut it right there, bam. You see where it's connected at? Right here. Cut it right there and we good to go. Then we just go to town, man. I'm so close, bro. So close, but yeah. Just gonna start washing it now. You know, doing something, washing a little bit. I've had it in the garage and we had some storms, like flood warnings, hurricane warnings, and I got these black marks. So dirty, and it was inside. It was inside. Can't have a girl looking like this, so get to it real quick, give her a little wash. Just gonna wash it and put her away. That's it. I have about an hour or two before I gotta shoot the work, so just gonna wash her real quick and lock her back in. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, we got help now. This is my buddy here.
Damn, look.
Bobby.
Spider web.
I'll show up, bye. So my man here came and wiggled the shit out that battery tray and got it out. Now he got the glove compartment out, and we're gonna wiggle this in there slowly, slowly. Hold on. Espérate. Dame un breakcito aquí. Dame un breakcito, papi. Hold on. Show me mad love.
This side, bro, is gonna be a little.
Bro, look at that though. Nice and clean.
Woo-wee.
Talk about it.
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like
We're getting some process done. See how we got rid of all the wires and stuff?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna get ready to paint.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Be careful, don't get cut. But we're not gonna paint today.
Tomorrow?
No. I don't even have to paint yet. We gotta prep it first, but we're gonna get there.
Clean the car first.
Yeah, we're gonna do that now. Don't keep yanking and stuff. Just let it be. All right, thank you, sir. Goodbye.
I like that.
Another day to live through.
so this is it for today. We did what we could. Brackets out, fuses out. Headlight harness completely out. The harness from this side is completely out. As you guys can tell, this side we still got to tackle that corner. A few miscellaneous things, but it's getting there. And we washed her. People, back over here, and that's some more prep work. But today I have helpers. We got some helpers here. Everybody working. At this rate, we should be done in about half hour. Say what's up, guys.
Hey, what's up? Got it.
Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
They working.
Dad, watch my dad.
All right, guys. So that's it for today. I got to start getting ready for work. So as you can tell, this side is mostly done. Everything's smoothed out. I'm gonna hit it with like a 300 grit and water sand it. Once again, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just winging it. The mount's coming out. My boy's supposed to come over here today with his gun. That mount's coming out. I need to get a razor blade to cut this open. That harness, just open it up so I could stick it in that hole. And I'm taking the wiper motor out because it's gonna be too much to try and take that harness out and stick it in through there. So I'm gonna just take the motor out, right next to the glass. I've used it before, it'll work fine. The brake lines, I'm gonna unbolt them and move them forward. And I'm gonna tape them up, or my wife's gonna tape them up really good. And yeah, all this is gonna get covered really well. I was gonna take it out and powder coat it, but it's not that serious. It's not a show car. So yeah, all that's gonna get covered. The mounts are coming out because the mounts are gonna get painted. Brake lines are gonna come out. Once I take I could really do it 1, 2, 3, but like I said, I have to get ready for work. Unbolt there, moving forward. The brake booster I'm going to be painting as well. It's gonna be a fresh coat of black. But yeah, most of it is all smoothed out. As you seen earlier, I had some hands on deck. They quickly quit the job. But yeah, I still have to do the inside part of this. I got a little bit of it. Let me tell you, the greaser and a scuff pad works wonders. So yeah, we're getting there little by little. Tomorrow I will be going to this place in Philly, and I'll get the R81, the Milano Red, automotive paint in a can, aerosol can, and get the 2K clear. I have the primer, you guys seen that already. And yeah, once I get all that out, moved out the way, that harness tucked in there, I'll start hitting it with some primer, sand the primer down, hit it with another coat of primer, probably sand that down again, and then start laying some paint over here. I'm thinking about getting like 3 bottles of the Milano Red and 2 cans of the 2K clear. Like I said before, I don't know what I'm doing, but well, my theory is, if you prep it good enough, it'll come out good. If I have to wet sand after I clear, I'll let it sit. My motor's not going to be back anytime soon. If I have to paint, and after I clear the paint, if I have to wet sand to take some orange peel off, then that's what I'll do. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'll check you guys out tomorrow. We'll be going to Philly. Peace.